All right, darling, we're gonna talk about how to make her crave you before you even touch her. And the reality is that a woman, everything can start right here in our head. Why on earth do you think that we read all the romance novels that we read? Why do you think Hollywood has made so much damn money off of women and making all these rom-coms and all these movies about romance and love and the Notebook and Love Actually and all these things that get our heart juices pumped? Why do you think they invest millions and millions and billions of dollars making these movies? Why? Because they are clever enough to know that once you get in a woman's mind, once you get her here, then you can get her here, and then for Hollywood, they can get her money, and for you, you can have her in your bedroom. So I'm gonna share with you how to do that. I'm Arica Angelo. I've been doing this for 18 years, helping people all over the world. One of the OGs. I'm gonna tell you what your mama, what your daddy, what your friends, and the dog next door will never tell you. I'm gonna tell you the things that she's not telling you. So let's continue on with this. The reality is, you've got to get into her mind before she will ever want to be intimate with you. But if you know how to do that well, what you do is you create this hunger, you create this anticipation, you create this longing inside of us before you've even laid a finger on our body. How do you do that? How do you make her crave you in such a way? Well, I'm gonna tell you how to do that. In the comment section, say, tell me, Arica, tell me. All right, so it goes like this. One of the things that we need to know is what you're planning to build for us. Meaning, are you taking us out on a date? What does that date look like? Are you planning to commit to a relationship with you? What does that relationship look like? If you're planning to make love to us, what does that time with you look like? If you're planning on taking us on an adventure, what does the adventure like? You get what I'm saying. What I'm trying to encourage you to do is this. When you begin to paint a picture to a woman, what it is that you want, what you want to do, what you're going to do, where you plan on taking her, these sort of things. When you paint that picture first and foremost, what you do is you begin to increase her appetite and her longing for you. So the fastest way is always through romance. Once you open her up and her heart, once you get her feelings open, her connection starts growing towards you, she starts craving you. When you start doing that through courting her, taking her on dates, sending her those sweet messages. And you guys, I have so many mother freaking courses on my freaking website at aricaangelo.com that none of you, not one of you, should say, I don't know what to say, I don't know how to ask her out, because I got every freaking course under the mother freaking sun to help your ass. So if you're at a loss for words, shame on you, because I've been working my ass off to give you all the tools that you mother freaking need. So when you are courting her and you're telling her things like what you're gonna do on the date, or let's talk about the bedroom, when you do that dirty talk, which I have a whole program called Dirty Talk, when you tell her the things that you're gonna do to her body when you get her in the bedroom, or how you're planning to treat her like a princess on the date, but then on the date you slide your fingers in between her legs and you begin massaging her in between her thighs and you get her turned on. You're doing both. What? You're courting her, you're wooing her heart, you're romancing her, but you're also letting her know that you are the man and that you are the pipe layer and you are coming to lay some pipe later. And if you know what I mean, then just in the comment section write pipe layer and we can all laugh and chuckle. YouTube, you can't censor me too much. I will always find a way to be a pervert. But when you can maneuver those two, when you start telling her the anticipation and then you show up and you start being seductive, you tell her naughty things that you're gonna do, but then you also just gently demonstrate that, my man, she has a longing building and burning in between her legs that could create a bonfire. It could create a rainforest fire because there's so much heat burning because you, my man, you built it. You created that crave. You created that burn inside. I have my date night pleasure bundle that really breaks this down down for you. It's in the comment section, it's in the description. But basically, it's when you can do that, when you can woo her on the date, when you can tell her what the date's gonna be like, when you can tell her all the things, you can make her feel special, you can make her feel proud to be a woman on your arm, all of those things. But then you begin to throw in the sauce, and then you begin to woo her on that date. You begin to touch her in the places that she wants to be touched. My man, that's when the pleasure happens. So date night pleasure bundle, you get it, you guys get it. You understand where I'm going with this. Get that, it's in the comment section, it's in the description. It's gonna break it down for you. When you make us feel that craving, that longing, it's because you've done such a damn good job building the anticipation, telling her the story of what she can look forward to, what excitement she can have, the desire, just like Hollywood does for us in the books, in the movies. What do? They pull on our heartstrings, and then next thing you know, it's Brad Pitt, you're in Legends of the Fall, you're out in the middle of the woods, and you're getting humped on by a beautiful blonde guy with blue eyes. Here's the thing, you get to be the Brad Pitt of your story when you know how to build that anticipation, when you can create that longing, when you can make her crave her. All of that happens for us before you lay a mother freaking finger on her. You can build that crave inside of her before you even touch her. When you build anticipation, when you create the story in her head, all the things that you are gonna do, my man, game over, game over. So I know that my stuff is fiery. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and my man, I'm gonna see you in my next video.